Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make easy chorizo and spinach pasta. This pasta is perfect for a healthy and delicious dinner, and using just a few ingredients can be on the table in less than 30 minutes. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we heat a saute pan or a deep-sided frying pan onto a medium heat, and we add 450 grams of chorizo sausage that's been cut into 2.5cm pieces. We'll cook this for 2 minutes to release some of the oils, and then we're going to add 2 chopped onions and 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Now we'll cook this for a further 5 minutes, stirring well until release the oil. After 5 minutes, we'll add a pinch of chilli flakes, 2 tablespoonfuls of freshly chopped basil, 800 grams or 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. Stir it well and we'll bring it to a simmer. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now to the tomato mix, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar, and we're going to season it with salt and pepper just to taste. We'll reduce the heat, pop the lid on and simmer for about 20 minutes till the sauce thickens. Now while the sauce is thickening, cook 500 grams of pasta for 7 to 8 minutes until al dente, and then we'll add it to the sauce. Now add 100 grams of baby spinach leaves and stir well to combine. Once the spinach is wilted, it's time to serve. I serve mine in a bowl topped with some freshly grated parmesan and some freshly ground black pepper. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for chorizo and spinach pasta. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.